JD 26 here, just do the tips and repairs. And as you see, that brush cleaner is clean, and we're going to run it all over the rugs now. These are the rugs we have. Nothing more fluffier than that. But we're going to have the beater bar off, and then we're going to check it after. We're back after vacuum cleaning. I did 5 rooms that are occupied by 2 cats and 2 people. And I'm going to show you the results. Look at the results. There is not one hair on that beater bar. So you tell me, you're going to keep your beater bar around and vacuum clean? Go ahead if you want to clean it. I'm not trying to be arrogant in any way. Just trying to tell you, you don't need the beater bar to vacuum clean. So the test is complete. I thank you for watching. I appreciate all you people that watch out there. Continue to watch. I have interesting videos, repair videos, hobby videos, a cooking channel. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.